had to point out my uniform today. Let's go Nuggets. We just landed in Miami and I am rushing because we're going to the Nuggets game and I have to Uber from the airport. We don't even have time to go to the hotel. The weather, when we were leaving home, not good. Air quality was trash. Now we're in Miami, weather wasn't good. We had to circle, but there's basketball to catch. So I will check in at the arena and then I'll do the hotel tour. It'll be like midnight by the time I get there. I haven't seen a single Nuggets fan and I'm just about to walk in. Okay, finally at the hotel, just a bit past midnight. I've been here before. I've shown you this hotel many times, and it's the dark hotel room tour because it's, again, midnight and you can't see anything. But the airport, it's out there somewhere. I'll show you in the morning. And I didn't have time to eat, but I picked up just from the little cafeteria area or convenience store area downstairs some chips and some Gatorade. And I did take a souvenir because, you know, NBA finals, that's exciting. But we also always need rags on board, like to clean the lab. And that comment was a bit catty. I'm trying not to gloat. I know there's a lot of basketball left to play. Tonight was only game 3. Nuggets are up 2-1, but the Denver Nuggets are my all-time favorite sports team. And a few nights ago, I was in Denver at game 2 and I didn't vlog it, and I wasn't gonna vlog this trip either, just because I don't want like things about my company to be known. But when I was in Denver, I did post a picture. I got to meet Adam Silver, the commissioner of the NBA, and that was just like too big of a deal not to share. And I figured, well, we're flying down here, I might as well just continue the fun. So unfortunately, I'm not staying in Miami for game 4. We are just heading home tomorrow. So it's just a quick 2-day trip for me. I have a passenger full of people and I knew I was going to the game tonight. So yesterday while I was home, I ordered all of my catering for the trip, and tomorrow when we get to the airport in Miami, catering will be delivered. So now I'm gonna go to bed and I will catch up with you in the morning. I did not sleep very well. The people in the room above me, they were having some fun last night, if you know what I mean. And I thought, this can't go on forever, but it went on for a long time. And I got up early and I was hoping I'd fall back asleep, but that did not happen. So I'm dressed and I'm heading downstairs. There's a Starbucks in this hotel. I'm grateful for that. And then there's like a breakfast buffet. So I think bacon is necessary. Back from breakfast and I got ready and I'm just doing some Spanish lessons before we leave in about 30 minutes. So I still need to change into my uniform, but that's all I need to do. Catering's being delivered to the airport and then we just fly back home. All right, the time has come. I am heading to the airport and we are making a pit stop. We're in Miami, so you have to have a cortadito. So there's a place that I discovered when I was a commercial flight attendant. We used to stay around this area, and I feel like it's just called Airport Bar or Airport Liquors or Cafe Bar. There's some like spin on those words, and it's dingy, and it's right by the airport, and it's a cafe and a liquor store, and they have the best cortaditos. So we are gonna pick one up, even though I usually don't do caffeine after 10 a.m. and I already had a cup of coffee. But again, I'm in Miami. I feel like that's what you gotta do. I got my catering to put away. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching this week's flight attendant vlog. Please make sure to leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This way you don't miss out on any future flight attendant vlogs. I post every Sunday. Thanks again for watching.